Drama between John Anthony Lifestyle and RSD Tyler. John Anthony, who has a YouTube channel called John Anthony Lifestyle, made a video called RSD Tyler Durden Exposed. Fake Infield and Results. Stories from a former employee. John Anthony currently lives in Brazil and claims to have over 1,000 lays and a number of girls on rotation. He is very analytical and claims to have developed the perfect system for getting guys laid in the shortest amount of time. He is also a former RSD coach, and he claims that other coaches are ripping guys off and setting them back by teaching them to be a clown, to do ridiculous things, and to say fancy gimmicky shit. He says that RSD products are a rip-off, a waste of time and effort, and that RSD turns students into weirdos by teaching them to be a dancing monkey. He says that you don't need to be a dancing monkey because girls do not respond to that. John Anthony focuses on logistics and objections, and he compares pickup to sales, which is why he focuses on his lay count as an objective measure of success. He says you should be yourself and learn to be alpha instead of using gimmicks and fancy lines. He teaches canned routines which are very low-key and subtle but optimized in order to get the best results. Another criticism he makes of RSD is that their courses are designed to upsell more stuff and that most guys end up spending a lot of money and get very poor results. In many cases, he says that they actually get wars with women because RSD turns them into weirdos. What do you think? Do you think the drama is just a ploy by John Anthony to attract viewers to his channel? Or do you agree with his criticism? Do you believe that John Anthony has slept with over 1,000 girls? Leave a comment below and remember to support the channel by giving a like and by taking a look at some of Dr. Skank Ipoon's books. If you are currently suffering from tiny ball syndrome, TBS, please note that our clinic is currently closed due to false accusations about Dr. Skank Ipoon's professional credentials, but that his books are still available and they remain a suitable alternative treatment for TBS.
www.leavethefriendzone.com